The U.S. government is cracking down on undocumented immigrants. It means the debate around immigration is getting louder and more polarized. Some people think we should close our borders to almost everyone. People like this guy, white supremacist Craig Cobb, who took a DNA test on The Trisha Show and discovered he was 14% sub-Saharan.
Oh boy.
Awkward. Others believe that shutting out the world is hypocritical because America has always been a nation of immigrants. Siberian nomads crossed an icy bridge from Europe to Alaska and made this strange new land their own. Many years later, others followed, triggering a wave of immigration that hasn't stopped since. To be honest, our ancestors didn't always get along, but they all brought something to the table. They introduced the New World to Old World customs, named settlements after the places they originally came from, and helped make America a world leader in politics, science, and the arts. Today, 28% of those living in America are immigrants or the children of immigrants. It's easy to blame them for things like rising crime rates, but actually, research has shown that native-born Americans are more likely to engage in criminal behavior. The reality is, immigrants contribute billions in taxes every year. They create jobs, with over half of America's billion-dollar startup companies founded or co-founded by immigrants. And 65,000 immigrants currently serve in the U.S. military, helping to preserve and protect our way of life. So what do you think? Will stricter border controls really make America great again?